I've had a lot of help, and all I can claim is showing up and doing the work. And I'm as imperfect as they come, and I just try to do...
Last week in L.A., Jerry Cantrell was acknowledged by the MusiCares organization as part of the MAP benefit, being honored with the Stevie Ray Vaughan Award for his dedication and support of the MusiCares Musicians Assistance Program Fund, and for his commitment to helping other addicts with the addiction and recovery process. But it was bittersweet for the Alice in Chains guitarist and songwriter. April 5th, 2012 marked the 10-year anniversary of the death of Layne Staley, original lead vocalist for the band and voice of such hits as Wood, Dirt, and Man in the Box, who died of a drug overdose in 2002. Cantrell made no bones about the help he got from MAP, and we asked him whether or not Layne might have been alive if he had MAP's help.
Well, I don't know. That didn't work out, obviously, so it would have been nice.
On a brighter note, Jerry said that Alice in Chains is back in the studio.
Yeah, we just started, you know. We just started, so we're just kind of getting going. Yeah, we'll be working on it probably all summer.
So what does it sound like so early on in the recording process?
We just started. when we can hear what it is, then we'll start describing what it is. Yeah, I have no idea, but it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. Yeah.
Cantrell jammed a few tunes and also asked Duff McKagan to be there to help celebrate, as well as other Seattle natives, Ann and Nancy Wilson of Heart. Alice in Chains last released an album, Black Gives Way to Blue, in 2009, and it featured the rock radio staple Check My Brain.